I'm going to replace the pad on this humidifier. In order to do that, we just got to take these two screws out. 1, 2 on either side. Drop out the old pad and put in the new one. Let's get her done. Well, it takes a Phillips screwdriver on each side. Let's get it loose. In order to take the cover off. The cover should stay on by the hose. There's a little water in the bottom of it. A little water in the bottom and a little build up, but nothing that you need to worry about. Now if this comes off out of the way, slide the old pad out. Straight down. There you go. Open side up. Right here. So there's what the old pad looks like. It's all rusty and yucky. The clay's got all crud trapped in it. Here's a new one. Nice and clean. We're not going to be sucking mold and stuff through the house every time the furnace cycles. So now, just need to get this. Here's the side going to the top. That's the open side, and the side with the hose goes in the bottom. But for a general, I mean, depends on how yours big or near it is, but it should be really similar. You just have to slide this back up inside, and then put the cover back on it. Make it stay. There, like so. The screws back in. It's good to go. Cycle. See if the humidity won't go up a little bit more. We got it by sealing these sides of this furnace filter. We got to rise from 23 and 24 up to 25. Now we're going to see if it can rise up above 25 with a new pad. Hopefully. Alright, I just tighten this on the last screw. Now we can turn the furnace on again and let it cycle.